What is going on, y'all? It is Every Penny Counts, and I am on this site, Earnably, which will be in the description. Click on it, sign up today, and make a lot of money with this site like I am. I'm going to cash out maybe $15. You see there I have 1,601 points, 0.543. It's basically $16.01, but I'm going to cash out 15, just leave a little money in my account. But real quick, I'm just going to show you what you do on this site, what I have success with, things like that. So this is the home page. These are all of the offer walls that they have. You see here, I have a lot of success with aggregate rewards. There's a lot of ones in there where it's like you just submit your email and you get credited for points. Peanut Labs is another good one. I mean, these surveys are fairly easy. It doesn't take a lot of work. Like 5-10 minute surveys, and you get credited a good amount of points for those. Let me go to the surveys because they have a survey wall over here. Daily surveys. This is where I get most of my points, I would say. Your surveys and Theorem Reach. Now, your surveys, these pay about, they change it around a lot. As of right now, they're paying like 80 cents for each one. Theorem Reach, this is kind of like Peanut Labs. I mean, their surveys are kind of easy, they're short, but they will give you disqualification points. Peanut Labs does too, so just keep that in mind. Peanut Labs and Theorem Reach does give disqualification points, and Say So Rewards also gives disqualification points. So the thing is, Say So Rewards has a lot of surveys in there. So just, I mean, take advantage of the opportunities that they have for you. I mean, what I would do when I come on here, I jump on your surveys, I do a couple of those. If I'm not having success with them, which is from time to time, then I'll jump over to Theorem Reach and Say So Rewards, and I'll also go back and do Peanut Labs. That way, I never want to go on a site and just not make any money with it. So I get these disqualification points, and let me tell you, like, disqualification points add up. I mean, it might only be 1 point, but just, you know, you just do a survey, you're like 30 seconds into it, they disqualify you, to give you 1 point. I mean, those really do add up. If that happens 2 times every minute, I mean, you're getting 2 points. So, I mean, you do the math on how much you can make just disqualifying for surveys. Now, granted, I'm not recommending that you purposely disqualify, because actually qualifying for surveys will help you to make more, and you'll get, you know, more money faster that way. But if ever you're having if you're having those days where you're just not having success in qualifying, just remember Theorem Reach, Peanut Labs, and Say So Rewards will get you disqualification points. Also, what I like to do is have my videos running in the background, Hideout TV. You'll get paid 0.7 points per 3 ads, and the videos aren't that long. So like while I'm doing surveys, just have these running in a separate tab, or I mean a separate window, and you know, just letting those points add up in the background. So I mean, there's a lot of opportunity on this site. I wanted to keep this video fairly short just because I've done, you know, videos on it, but I highly recommend you guys sign up with it just because I've made money with it. You see here, $16.01. Matter of fact, I'm going to go ahead and cash this out. I'm going to go to rewards, and you see here what I've basically been, you know, doing. I cashed out 20 days ago right here, all these cash outs that I've done. You know what I'm saying? Like, sometimes I get kind of lazy with it because I have so many sites that I use, but I mean, you just see here all of these cash outs, all these PayPal cash outs that I get when I use this site, just to show you that it is legit, and you know, I'm continually to make money with it. All right, so let me go to rewards up the top right here, and just show you the different things that they have on here. I'm not sure. Oh, I need to go to redeem. I'm tripping. Redeem. That's where I'm gonna show you all the points and the things you can get right here. PayPal, Amazon, Walmart, you know, PlayStation Store. They got Target, Google Play, Best Buy. So they have a little bit of everything on here. I mean, you can definitely find something on here that you want. Me personally, it's all about PayPal. It's my favorite way to cash out. And you'll see here what you have to, how many points you have to get for each amount of PayPal points. If you want $1, you have to have 125 points. You know, $5, 500 points, things like that. Once you get to 50 to 100, you actually get like a discount on your points. So just keep that in mind. They have an auto redeem feature, but there's a fee. But like say you have this auto redeem set up for $5. As soon as your account reaches $5, it will automatically cash out. But like I said, there's a fee, so I don't really want to pay fees when it comes to cashing out. I'll do it myself. It's not that big of a deal. So all you gotta do, because you'll have all your information already put in, all you gotta do is click redeem now. And so like I said, I'm gonna cash out a $5 and a $10 because I have $16.01. So I'm gonna get this $5 one, redeem now. You can see that my balance went down. You see right there, 500 points, and then I'm going to get this $10 one right here. Redeem now. And now you see I have $1.01 in my account. So I got two cash outs on the way. This site usually pays you the same day. They don't take long at all. So that's why I really love it. I love using sites where there's a lot of opportunity to make money with, and you don't have to wait forever to get your cash out. Like I said, they pay you the same day most of the time, within a couple of hours. And, you know, you can just spend the cash. I mean, it's just making money, easy ways, a lot of opportunities. You just have to be willing to put in the work, you know, take your time and, you know, go through those surveys, those survey walls and those offer walls to, you know, make the most money for yourself. All right. So like I said, the link to it is in the description. If you're new to my channel, definitely subscribe, like, share, comment, all that good stuff, because I'm always putting out videos showing you guys different ways to make money, different sites, different websites, different apps, all that you can make money with completely free. So you don't have to put any money into these sites. They're all free. Just sign up, create an account, and bam, just start making money and start cashing out daily with multiple sites just like I am. All right, so subscribe if you're interested in making free money, and always remember, every penny counts.